welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing an 80s outfit. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here. I did get a size medium for the shirt. This is what the shirt looks like. Stuck in the 80s. Look how cute that is. Super 80s style. So I'm gonna just put that right here. Then I got some hot pink and some lime green pants. I mean, I had to do pink, right? And then I'm always wearing lime green shirts because I wear some shirts that say scriptures on them, and they're always like the bright green so that people can see it. These actually feel like really nice, like a very nice soft material. So that's what the pants look like. I did get a size small. And they are the neon pink. And then I got the neon green. So that's what the neon green looks like. They're so stinking cute. But let me go ahead and try this on and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, look how stinking cute this outfit is. How cute. I love that the back, because the pants are a little see-through, but the shirt's long enough that that's not going to be an issue. I love this. I'm probably going to wear this tomorrow because I'm just like really digging the style. This is so stinking cute. The shirt's nice and long. See, we can still dress cute and be modest, girls, because this is very modest. I love it, and it's just so cute, vibrant. I love vibrant colors. Look at that. So I did get a size medium. That's like what I usually wear, is like a medium shirts, because a lot of times they don't fit right here. They'll fit right here, but not right here. So I am glad that I got a medium. I could have probably even went with a large on the shirt just to make it a little extra baggy, because I do like a really nice baggy look, especially in the wintertime, because I mean it's cold and I like the things to fit loose and everything. But the colors to this. But let me go ahead. I'm going to try on the pink pants and show you what those look like. Okay, and this is what it looks like with the hot pink pants on. Look how cute. I feel like Barbie right now. Like, this is giving me Barbie. I guess they say vibes nowadays. I don't know. I say a Barbie feel, but kids these days say Barbie vibes. There's another word they're using and I don't remember it, but yeah. For the care on the pants, it does say you can machine wash, don't bleach, you can dry it, you can iron it. It is 95% polyester and 5% spandex, in case you're wondering. And the shirt is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. And the care is you can wash it and dry it, but you can't iron it or bleach it, which is normal. So do not iron the shirt, which honestly, I never iron my clothes at all. I usually, especially if it's an outfit that I really like I really like this, I would just wash it and then throw it over my doors or on a drying rack to dry, depending on how many things I have to dry. But I love these outfits. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.